So guys, this is the video that has been requested and also sponsored, that I make this sweet potato pudding. Lovely sweet potato pudding. Hey guys, today I'm going to make a sweet potato pudding, and here's some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. That I'm going to have to get them washed and peeled. Here I have coconut. Here I have sweet cassava. Here I have some sweet potatoes, yam, yellow yam, and I have cocoa yam. So guys, I'm going to wash these and peel these and come back. Let's go. I'm back again, and I am making sweet potato pudding. Here I have some cocoa yam. I have sweet potato itself. I have yellow yam right here, and I have sweet cassava. Here's the rest of the ingredients: butter, baking powder, cinnamon powder, grated nutmeg, salt. I have some raisin here. I have red label wine, rum. I have almond flavor. I have rose water, vanilla, sugar, flour, and here I have coconut. And guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna combine all these ingredients. Here's my grater, which I'm gonna use to start the grating process. And guys, some people, they just blend them, but I'm not gonna blend them. I'm gonna grate them. So first, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do this. So here's my sweet potato, and I'm just gonna grate it like this. This is how I'm grating it, guys. So that's the idea. Here it is. I'm gonna get all of these done, and then I'm gonna come back and show you. So guys, I'll be back. So guys, as you can see here, I'm almost finished. Let me show you. And guys, remember, this mixture is sweet potato, yam, sweet cassava, and I have cocoa yam. So that is all I'm using to make my sweet potato pudding. And that's how it's looking, guys, is when you grate the sweet potato. And everything else that I've grated, it's a mixture of color. I can show you. See, this is yam right here. The white, that white is cocoa yam. We have cassava right there. See, it's a mixture of everything. And yes, guys, I'm finished grating. So I'm gonna combine all ingredients and show you. But first, I'm going to blend the coconut so I can get it. Instead of using water, guys, we're using the coconut to come everything incorporated into this right here to make our lovely sweet potato pudding. Once again, guys, here's my lovely potato, and it is a mixture of sweet cassava, yam, and cocoa yam. Now I'm going over to my coconut milk, and here's my coconut milk that I blended, and here's some of that's from the coconut. And now, guys, I'm gonna combine everything together now. I am going to combine everything together. First, I'm gonna pour out some of the coconut milk and start adding ingredients. I don't want it to be too watery, so I rather to pour off some of the coconut, because it's smart, guys. If it's too watery, it's hard to bring it back. But if it's too thick, you can always add. I'm gonna try to combine like the flour. So guys, I'm just gonna, here's my sugar. I have some baking powder here. Some salt. Cinnamon powder. Nutmeg powder. Vanilla. I have wine here, red label wine. Rum. Here's some almond flavor. Here's some rose water. And all those are lovely flavors of spices. And guys, the aroma in this kitchen right now is just crazy. So guys, here's the lovely mixture of everything. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going over to my potatoes. Here's some of the coconut. Also, I have some raisin here. This is going to be one lovely potato pudding, guys. Here I have bits of coconut. So now, guys, I'm adding my mixture. Guys, I'm telling you, man, we could eat this right now. The aroma, it's crazy in here. These spices, the rum, the wine that's in there. Oh my god. Guys, this is one video that's been sponsored. This is my first sponsored video and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. First sponsored video. And this video was also requested. This was a request and it was also sponsored. Thank you so much for the sponsorship. So guys, I'm adding the rest of my mixture. Guys, here we have some melted butter. And I'm just gonna get this incorporated into this lovely mixture right here. Guys, you should really taste this. It's very nice. So guys, here is the mixture and it's finished. What I'm gonna do now, I'm making my way over to my baking tray. And I'm just gonna base it with some butter. Guys, you know, when you see these different sizes of tray, you know it's a Miss Brown style going down. So guys, I'm just gonna pour the mixture in the trays. And guys, my oven is already on. Preheat. So here again, guys, I'm not gonna overflow it too much. So guys, here is the butter for the potato pudding, and I'm about to put them in the oven right now. So let's go. So guys, there they are, and that's that. So guys, here's my lovely potato pudding. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is so lovely. And as you can see this lovely sheen on top. I was done with some of the same coconut milk that I add into my mixture. I just add a little bit of sugar in it. and I just use it to brush on top of it, and this is how lovely it came out. And guys, I'm gonna show you how nice these are when I plate it, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. It's a video that has been requested and also sponsored, that I make this sweet potato pudding. Lovely sweet potato pudding.